Hi everybody, welcome back to Good Old RVing. This is the finale of me setting up the plumbing for the dishwasher. And so let's get started. I'm going to start right here. You can't see it, but it's right here. And I'm going to show you the, I'm going to go by section of cabinetry. And so right here I'm going to do the drain, where I hooked it up to the PEX pipe. And then I'm also going to do where I hook up the hot water to the PEX pipe. And that'll take care of this area. And then I'll move over to the final area where it hooks up to, well, not the final, but the middle area where it hooks up to the faucets and the back of the dishwasher. And then I'll actually go through a test, make sure there's no leaks, make sure everything works. Because my dishes are getting dirty anyway. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, right here is where I have a rubber connector. Need a Phillips screwdriver, tighten that baby up. Okay, I think that should do it. And then the PEX pipe, I already put a crimp on that side. Now, I don't know if you can see it, maybe over here. See that pipe connector right there? I'm just going to put some wire, some heavy-duty wire ties on that because it is metal and there's electric components down there. So if it would ever fall off, it could cause a short. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I tightened up the clamps onto the PEX fitting right there. I put the wire ties on the curved bracket for the PEX pipe so it don't fall off. Now I'm about to cut the hot water line. Well, before I cut the hot water line, I have to turn off the hot water. Right here, I'm going to turn on the hot water. I'm going to turn off this fan. Okay, I turned on the hot water. Now I'm going to turn off all the water. Okay, the water's off. The thing is now is I have three accumulators which hold pressure also. And so not only am I have to lose the regular water pressure, is I have to lose the pressure out of those accumulators as well. See, I'm down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, baby. Down to 2 psi, 1.9. I'll give it a minute. I probably should have turned off the water heater as well. So I'm also going to go outside and hit the switch for the water heater to be sure that the electrical element is not on when I put the water back on. Okay, so open this up, take this out, and see that switch down here in the corner? Just turn that off. There's an on off. Just turn it off. There you go. Okay. So the hot water here, or the water heater, is totally off right now. Okay, I've released all the pressure. I turned off the water heater, and let me give you a look at what it looks like inside. Okay, what I did is I put plastic down there over all the electrical connections, then I covered everything with a towel. Because I'm going to cut the line right in this general area, right here, right above this fitting. And so, yeah, that's what I have right now. And so now I'm going to cut the power to this side. And then I'll be able to cut that water line. Okay, so here's my circuit panel, and I don't want to cut everything off, but I am going to cut off those outlets right there. Kitchen air conditioner not needed. Water heater, I will turn off water heater. Yeah, that should be good. That should cover it. This is my completion area for part 2. Take those lines off, put those valves in tight, and then put those lines in with some gunk and crimp that one down, and this should be good to go. Then I'm on the outside. This is the fitting, and I'm gluing it just around this edge right here and the same edge on the inside, so this will be firm and not move once it's attached to the wood. Okay, and that's what I'm doing. Then on this one I'm going to use some thread sealer, and I'll be pretty much done inside here. Okay, we're at the finishing touches right here. I just finished getting all that the turn-on valves hooked up and glued. Now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry and set. But in the meantime we are looking right here. And if you notice, right here I wrote 3/4, and right here I wrote 1/2 inch. Okay, this is the 1/2 inch line, this is the 3/4 line. So what I had to do was check it right here. Okay, so the water from this goes into this bottom hose, this bottom one. Okay, so you follow the bottom one, and it goes to 3/4. So the water inlet is 3/4 and the drain is 1/2 inch. So let me get started. So I'm going to 1/2 inch double female NPT, National Pipe Thread. And then this that I'm adding to it is a NPT 1/2 inch male that screws into that. And it's a hose thread, 3/4 inch hose thread that comes out of it, just like this. Okay, and I'll give it a little extra twist as soon as I can find my wrench. This will work. Doesn't have to be that much. Just a little extra twist. Okay, that's good. Don't want to do anything damaging. Okay, now simply hook up the red hose, or no, the blue hose, because this is drain. I need to write drain on there too. Make sure that the seal is in here. Okay, like so. Now you do this hose, which is the hot water hose. That's why it's red. Disconnect it like so. Got socks. Okay. Okay, put a little bit of sealer on here. Don't need a lot. Okay. Then you put this adapter. This is 3/4 national pipe. 3/4 national pipe to 3/4 hose. Come on. There we go. Get that on there. Okay. Okay. Then we just make sure the seal is inside of here. We hook this up. Like so. Okay, now we come over here. The simpler the better sometimes. Just hook it direct. Okay, let's check it. Okay, seems to be working. Everything's on. No leaks there. And no leaks here. No leaks here. Okay, so let me give her a spin, see how she acts. So far so good. Okay, and so that's it. I got the dishwasher all set up in the kitchen, and she's working fine. As a matter of fact, I'm doing a second load because my dishes were starting to stack up. I don't like to totally fill the dishwasher. I fill it to about 2/3 capacity, and when you have a lot of big dishes like plates and Tupperware and stuff like that, it fills up pretty quick. But it does a good job, so who cares? As you could probably hear it in the background right now, it's running good. The drain's working good. There's no leaks, and hopefully maybe you could have used some of this information to install your own. And so thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of me going crazy installing a dishwasher in the kitchen. Countertop dishwasher at that. Okay, you have a great one. Be safe, safe travels, and best of health to everybody.